All right, we're gonna do like 3 of these easier area and perimeter problems. So this one says Ian is going to remodel his baby sister's room. Her room is 16 feet wide and 11 feet long. I'm gonna stop right there. If you are just given a length and a width, that means that we are talking about a rectangular shaped room. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a pen here and we're gonna draw out this room. Okay, it's 16 feet by 11 feet. Now let's keep reading. What is the total amount of carpet that he will need? All right, carpet is my key word here, and it tells me that I am looking for area. All right, because I'm gonna fill this entire space with carpeting, and that's area. So I'm gonna check over here on my formula sheet, and I'm gonna find my rectangle, and I'm gonna find the formula for area, and it says that area is the length times the width. And I can look in this problem and I can pick whatever I want to be my length or my width. So let's say that my length is 16 and my width is 11, and then I'm just gonna go to Desmos and I'm gonna start plugging things in. So the first thing that you put in is your formula. So my formula is length times width. And then I have to tell the calculator the things that it needs to know. So it doesn't know what length is, so I'm going to tell it, hey, the length equals 16. And the calculator still can't give me an answer because it doesn't know what the width is, but I can tell it, hey, the width is 11. And that means that my area is 176 square feet. Let's try another one. All right, this one is still a word problem, but it also has a picture. It says Carlos is making a mural on his wall. He has one section of wall left that is shaped like a triangle. He must be going crazy. I don't know what wall looks like this. It says how much paint will he need to cover the section? So cover tells me, and paint tell me that I am going to be finding area. So I'm going to go over to my formula sheet and I'm going to find the formula for area of a triangle. And then I'm going to start labeling things on my picture. So the B is for base, and the base of my triangle is 23. And then H is for height, and remember the height is always standing straight up and down. So the height is 9. And then I'm just going to come over here to Desmos and I'm going to start putting things in. So put my formula in first, 1/2 times base times height, and then I'm going to start telling the calculator the stuff it doesn't know. So my calculator knows what 1/2 is, but it doesn't know what the base is. So I'm going to put the base is 23, and then it also doesn't know what the height is. So I'm going to tell it the height is 9. And then ta-da, there's my answer, 103.5 square centimeters.